So this morning at 3 a.m., I was walking the streets of downtown Detroit, and now there's monkeys in the trees. I was at the Success Mortgage Partners Top Producers Conference. They flew me in to do a presentation on artificial intelligence. And the number one takeaway that I left with people is that BlackBerry, Blockbuster, both of them missed the technology shift of their consumers moving to a new technology. Everybody in the room wanted to know the latest tools and the latest tricks and how to use artificial intelligence in the business, which I'll give you a tip here in just a second. But the thing that's most important for us to understand about this change that's happening right now is the fact that our customers are going to be using ChatGPT and AI to search for loan officers, and it is the largest consumer direct opportunity that we have available to us, I think, in our careers. Because more people are going to use AI than they did Google, and the leads are higher quality and they close at a much higher ratio. So you absolutely have to be teaching the artificial intelligence that you're a mortgage expert on all the different loan product types that you have in your mortgage business so that it can recommend you as the expert to the new consumers. Now, how do you do that? Well, that comes to using AI tools. So the first thing you need to do, go set up your ChatGPT account. Go into the settings of your ChatGPT account and tell it who you are and give it all of the links to everything that is online about your mortgage business, right? So that when you create content using your ChatGPT account, it knows it's coming from you and it gives you the authority and references it back to your website and all your social media and all your online profiles from your ChatGPT account. Then go into ChatGPT and set a task, and you just tell it, set a task every Friday morning to do market research on my market, and research the mortgage market, the real estate market, the stock market, the political landscape, and then what's happening in my local city. Set it for 7 a.m. every Friday morning. So every Friday, ChatGPT goes out and pulls in all the most recent information about your local marketplace. Then you give it a prompt that says, take this item, this item, this item, and this item, and put it into a newsletter for my customers and my qualified agents. It gives you the newsletter, which you publish on your blog. While you are working with the AI, teach it. Don't just copy and paste. Your opportunity is to teach the AI that you are an expert about mortgages, and giving it feedback as you create content is the way that you do that. So once you've got that on your blog, then you tell it, hey, write me a post for my social media. So you get Facebook, you get Instagram, you get X, wherever you post, just say, hey, wrote a new blog post about what's going on in the market this week. Go check it out. Here's my weekly newsletter. But then tell it, write me an email for my past customer database and write me an email to send out to my qualified real estate agents. Voila, you now have a weekly newsletter of the most relevant information about the local marketplace that you can send to all of your customers and you can send to all your qualified agents. Remember, every time you send out a qualified piece of information in your newsletter, what do? You ask for referrals, because that's how we get the business. And that is how you can train your AI, get in front of new consumers in the marketplace while generating referrals from your database and new referral partner relationships at the same time. Hope you're well. Follow the channel for more tips. Have a great day.